Good morning, Cougar Cubs. This is your assistant principal, Miss Patton. Welcome to Cubs Corner. Today, you all will see a video from Miss Carter. She's our art teacher here at Cordova Elementary. She has another great video all about how to draw certain things in nature. I miss each and every one of you. I can't wait to see your smiling faces. Please enjoy the video.
Good morning, Cougar Cubs, and I am Miss Carter, and I'm back again to show you another lesson. Today's art lesson will be about nature once again. Last time I told you to research a little bit about birds and pick your favorite one. I chose the cardinal, and we will be drawing birds today, and if you feel like it might be hard for you, it's okay because I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So stay tuned. Okay, now you have chosen your bird and we're ready to start. So our main focus here is all about shape to form. And with shape to form, you can pretty much draw anything. We just have to take it one shape at a time. So in order to make our bird, let's start off with the head. And what shape do you think we should use? Well, probably a good old circle. So that will be our first shape. And then you continuously add on other shapes, just one at a time. And that way it won't feel as hard to finish the whole project. So let's add a beak. Simple triangle. Oval for the body. Tail. And there's your basic shape of your bird. Then you can add in little features like your legs, eye. Remember, if you're looking on one side of the bird, you only see one eye. That lines for the beak. And then you have to add your texture on there. What is the bird made out of? Of course, it's made out of feathers, so we want to add those and create like a pattern. Also can add in the wing. Then create your feathers. And you just repeat, just like a pattern. And you go on and on until everything is filled. Now the cardinal, I believe, has some extra feathers at the top here. So if you want to add your habitat, your certain type of tree, you would do the same exact thing. If this bird is sitting on a limb on a tree, add the rectangular shape for the branch, and another one for the trunk of the tree. And then you can also add some rough looking texture here as well. For the tree, add some branches, a leaf. Think about what the bird eats. Is it a worm? Berries? It's up to you. Now, here is a cardinal that I started on. And what you're gonna use today, well, it's really up to you, whatever you have on hand. If you have markers, use markers. If you have crayons, do that. If you have paint, do that. I have a set of watercolor paints right here, and I'm gonna do a technique called crayon resist technique, where I use crayon first, then add in some watercolor paint. And it's called crayon resist because the crayon resists the water. The paint will not wash away the crayon. So with this, you have to think of wherever the crayon touches, that's more of a violet red. I want a darker red. So wherever the crayon touches, the paint will not wash that away. So if we fill this entire drawing with crayons, then there will be no place for the paints. And there you have your cardinal in its habitat, and I hope that your artwork will turn out just as well. And if you don't get it right the first time, it's okay. It's all about practicing. Next week, I'll be sharing with you another art lesson. This one will be mainly about shapes. It will be related to shape to form as well, but we're going to use a lot of geometric shapes, which are perfect shapes like squares, rectangles, circles. Okay, so for your homework, for our next project, I want you to study some cities. Look at some pictures on YouTube Kids. Look at cities, look at some buildings, look at downtown areas, because that's what we're going to draw or create in our next artwork. You'll need construction paper for this, but if you don't have construction paper, that's fine. We can just take regular paper and color some pieces of it. So you don't have to have construction paper. We can always make some. Next, you will need scissors and glue. Also, probably crayons. So, study cities, buildings, downtown. Maybe find a specific building that you like, or a few of them that you like, and we're going to create our own little cityscape using cutouts of paper using geometric shapes. So I'll explain that later. See y'all next time, and be safe.